So you want to sell digital planners, but you don't know how. Maybe you see all these amazing templates on Etsy and on different stores, but you're like, Toby, I don't know how to create these things, but I have the idea in my head. Don't worry, you're not alone. More than half of the vendors selling templates on Etsy don't even know how to design themselves. They have only mastered the art of outsourcing. Now, even though I am a trained graphic designer and I am so good at creating things on Canva, not everybody has this ability. Not everyone has this creative ability, but that should not hinder you from making sales. So don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you a no experience, no problem way to make sales on Etsy. Now, we are all different. Some people have design abilities. Some people are amazing marketers, but they don't know how to design. Today, I'm going to show you how most people do it. Now, as entrepreneurs, it is important to learn how to outsource because you can't do everything. And let's even say you can do everything. How do you know which one to put more of your time into? Now, when you have figured what to put more of your time into, it is now time to outsource the rest. Okay. So I and my team have created templates and we continue to create custom templates for our customers, right? To sell and on Etsy. So today I'm going to take you into my computer and I'm going to show you how that works. So when you purchase a template from me, usually I will send you an editable Canva link. Now, it is important that you understand how to maneuver Canva, okay, before you work this, because you would want to add some spice, some source, some personality, right, into your digital items. So let us say you have booked templates from me, all right? This is an example of what I will send you. So this person has ordered a prayer journal, all right, and I have created the journal. I've created it in such a way that it is super editable. Now, so let us say this is your journal, okay? You can click on this, you can change the colors. Okay, you can change the color over here. You can change the font if you want. All right, you can change it to whatever it is you want. All right, now you can also change the colors of the boxes. You can add elements to it. Let's say, oh, Toby, you're too boring. I don't like the elements, because I like to create it as plain as possible so that you can infuse your personality into it. All right, so you're going to go to here. You're going to click on elements. And let's say we're going to type aesthetic, in case you're those aesthetic people. Okay, you're now going to click on this element and start to adjust them, right, and put them wherever you want. Now, the heavy lifting of creating and designing has been taken from off of you. All right, so now I'm going to take you to my website and show you how to create this. So you're going to go to the link in the description box, right? It's going to bring you here to my beautiful Stand Store page. Okay, you're going to scroll. You see, I have a lot of things listed there. So you're going to come here. This one says 20 pages of custom digital templates. Okay, you're going to click on submit your request. Okay, and then you're going to enter your name, your email. And over here is where you're going to enter the template types that you want. So let's say you want a mood template, you want a mindfulness planner, you want a daily planner, you want a mother's planner, you want an entrepreneur's planner, you want a financial tracker, whatever it is you want to sell according to your niche. This is where you're going to input it. Now, this $200 gives you access to 20 pages of templates, which you can list as 20 different items, or you can list as 2 different items, or you can list as 5 different items, depending on how you've ordered it. So let me give you an example. You order 20 templates, all right? Now you have 5 template ideas, right? So what are you going to do? You're going to create 4 pages of each of those 5 template ideas, which gives you 5 listings. Now, let's say, Toby, I only have money for 20 templates and I have 20 different ideas. No problems. Okay, we're going to create 20 different templates for you, 1 single page each. However, I do not advise you do that because not everybody wants to buy just 1 page of template, right? All right. So let's say you have 5 ideas or you have 10 ideas. We're going to create 2 pages of each idea to give you those 20 templates. All right. Now, if you say, okay, Toby, you know what? I cannot start with 20 templates yet. I don't have that amount of money. You can go back here. All right. And over here, you will see 10 pages of custom digital templates and they're resellable. They all come with resellable rights. Now, the 10 pages is $100. Now, let me let you know that when you book or when you purchase any of this, you also get access to a 30-minute live course, live class, live meeting with yours truly, where I can show you how to maneuver, how to change the templates and how to do all of that. So let us now say that after all of this, you say, Toby, you know what? I have never used Canva before. I don't have an Etsy store. I don't know how to manage an Etsy store. I have never used an Etsy store before. Don't worry, I got you, because right here, you also have the Digital Product Blueprint Masterclass. And over here in this course covers everything Canva that you need to know, the beginner-friendly Canva, everything you need to know as a beginner on Canva, and also how to start your Etsy store, how to set up your Etsy store, how to market your Etsy store, and all of that. I have made it super easy that this 52-year-old customer of mine have said that she didn't even imagine that she would be able to design, but now she could design. Also, this customer who is 45 years old now has a functioning Etsy store, all right? So don't think that Canva is hard, or design is hard, or graphics is hard, and all of that. It is not hard. You can definitely do it. Now let's go back to the template so that I can show you more that you can do with the template. Let's say that you're a mom and you like to create worksheets for your children, and you also want to sell it. Okay, I'm going to create templates for you. Now, by the way, I want you to know that not only can you list this on Etsy, but you can turn your templates into physical books and list them on KDP, on Amazon KDP. Now, a lot of people don't know that, but there are thousands of ways to make money on YouTube and everywhere, like digital money, but you just have to look for it. You just have to find it. And that is what I'm here for, to make these things easier for you, okay? Because it took me a long time to find it. And now that I have found it, I'm making it super duper easy for you, all right? Now, you don't have to go to graphic design in school like I did. You don't have to go learn how to use Canva like I did. You can live the soft life, okay? I'm going to do the heavy lifting for you while you just sit back, market your stuff, and make sales, all right? So for that mom that likes to, sell, that likes to create worksheets for her children. So let's say you want to create worksheets for your children, and, you will also want to sell it. All right. This is what you're going to. This is one of the worksheets that I've created for one of our customers. And she wanted the Bible study worksheets for her children because she was also a Sunday school teacher. All right. So when I create this for you, I'm going to send you the editable link, like I said. And then you can go in here. You can see how it is. You can go in here. You can change the questions, you can change everything if you don't want it. You can change all of this if you don't want it. You can change the colors. If you just click on this border and you click on the background color, and you can just go ahead and change it to whatever color you want. Super duper easy. Now, like I said, you don't have to only sell it on Etsy. You can also create this into a book, right? And sell it on Amazon KDP. Now, if you don't know how to sell it on Amazon KDP, I have videos on how to create listings on Amazon KDP. And if you say, okay, you know what, Toby, I just want you to teach me, please, go into the link in the description box and schedule a one-on-one discovery call with me so that we can find out where you are, or just go ahead and book the Digital Blueprints Masterclass, because that takes you from 0 to 100 in about 4 weeks. All right. So now you see why you have no excuse as to why you cannot make money online. Okay. Everybody can make money online starting today, right now. There is a lot of money to be made, and all we're doing is waiting for you. So my team and I are here. We're waiting to take your orders, right? To create those templates for you, those designs that you have in your mind. And you're like, oh my God, I know what I want to do, but I just don't know how to create it. Don't worry, we're right here. All right, overall, I want to thank everyone for always supporting my channel. And I thank my partners. I thank all the members. I'm going to be popping them on the screen. I thank you guys for being members. Now, I want you guys to know that there are several ways in which you can support my channel. There are several ways in which you can partner with me to always bring amazing videos like that, right? Like this, right? Now, I have 3 different levels of my membership level. And the first one is the Thrive Beginner, and it's just $2.99 a month. And on that level, you get member-only live streams and you get member-only videos. And then we have the next level, that is the Thrive Creator, and that is $9.99. You have everything in the Thrive Beginner. You have early access to 2 videos monthly. You have member only live streams, right? You have member shout outs. Actually, I shout out all the members from all the levels. So you have member shout outs, and you have access to the replay of our monthly webinars. All right. Now, the Thrive Mastermind, which are the VIPs. Now, everyone is a VIP. The Thrive Mastermind is a $29.99 monthly membership. And what this one does is it gives you perks and access to the perks from the beginner and the creator. It gives you free access to our paid webinars. All right. It gives you, and most of our webinars are always $50. So if you are a Thrive Mastermind a member, you get free access to all our paid webinars, whether they're $50 or $100 or whatever. You get early access to 4 new videos monthly. You get a shout out, and you get a monthly content calendar and a checklist. That is super amazing. And you also get the replay for the webinars. So those are ways that you guys can partner with me on this channel to continually bring you all these amazing juices. All right. Now, if this video has been helpful to you, which I'm sure it has, kindly hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and guess what? I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing day. My name is thetobyrich. Ciao, ciao.